up, everybody? I hope you are having an amazing part of your day. It's Elijah the Boss Ninja here, and today we are going to be running some American Ninja Warrior courses and obstacles in my backyard in the rain because it is pouring down rain in Tennessee. So it's going to be crazy. It's going to be wild. Be sure to watch to the end of the video because we have some insane challenges today. First obstacle today, we have this cane. If you remember from my last video, I fell on a cane lane, so we're gonna be doing a lot of cane training today in the rain. Here we go. Man, that is brutal. Now we're gonna do it backwards. No! I just got so lucky. The hat fell on the blue mat, didn't fall in a puddle. Whew! That was scary. Next obstacle, you're gonna slide down the ring, lache sideways to this special delivery, catching the slot, and then just a small reach to this stronghold. These are all soaking wet. I did not wipe them down, so we're gonna see how it goes. I do not want to fall in that water. Oh, I almost slipped off of that one. Oh, that was awesome though. Super fun obstacle. The rain is really coming down now, and we're gonna try this balance obstacle. I have no idea how it's gonna go, so please share this with all your friends and drop a subscribe because I might be face planting here. Whoa! Yes, let's go! This balance in the rain is incredible training because it scares you a little bit. You cannot hesitate. You have to go for it because the moment you hesitate, that's when you fall on it. So this is a perfect comp obstacle recreation. This obstacle is awesome. You're gonna swing from that ring to the stronghold, unhook the stronghold, and then a lache to that ring. The ring is super low, so you gotta watch your feet. This one is gonna be fun. Woohoo! You gotta train any time. So it's pouring down rain outside, but I'm trying to be the best Ninja Warrior, and whatever your goals are, you gotta fight for them. So for me, it's raining outside. I know that I might not be able to get my best training in, but I'm still out here making stuff happen. And like when I got that balance, for example, that is a huge confidence booster. If I can get it in the rain, I can get it when it's dry, and that is gonna go way farther than even doing a really, really hard workout. So whatever your goals are, just put in the time, put in the work, and it'll work out. All right, we are now gonna be flying through the air. Let's see how this goes. Oh. Oh. No chance I was grabbing the holds on that one. This is so slick. Ah. All right, here we go. We're gonna run through a little course. Whatever happens, happens. I'm just gonna have fun with it. Let's go. Well, we are now soaked. This was impossible to hang on to. Whew. All in all, I do not think running courses in the rain is a bad idea. Just make sure to be safe. Also, an observation that I found today was you overgrip everything when it's rainy, so you're gonna get a lot more tired faster. So I think there is advantages to running courses in the rain. Have fun with it. Boss fam, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.